Welcome to Missouri! It's time for a new state, and it's time to
get your kicks on Route 66.
The best part about driving on Route 66 is that you get to see cool little towns that even have little skeletons enjoying a nice day in the sun.
That's how hot it is.
Oh,
They were people when they sat down.
They roasted. Time to get out of the car and stretch the old legs. But you may have to sit down when you see this first stop we're at. It's the world's second largest rocking chair.
Now, the funny thing is, the world's largest rocking chair is right next door back in Illinois, but it's not on Route 66. It's just off in another area. So.
And that used to be the largest rocking chair, but it got demoted.
We still love you. You're on 66. That's what counts.
And they have this cool little convenience store inside in case you need to in case you look like them and need to go to the bathroom. Or if you want to get a drink or a snack or something like that. Or if you want a drink and a snack, you could get the Moon Pie and RC Cola combo pack. This is brilliant. They have a taffy, like grab and go, make your own bag. But then look on the bag, it tells you like what all the different taffies are, color coded and all. Also, they have a shaved ice flavor. That's so different. Time to be moving along because our next stop is going to be utterly delicious. Fun bridge!
Oh, they're canoeing down there.
Oh, I see. Nice.
Oh my goodness. The aesthetics of this place are quite literally out of this world. We have made it to the Uranus Fudge Factory, Sideshow Museum, Fort Uranus, Uranus Ice Cream Co. Homemade and hand dipped. Homemade or homemade? Okay, that's interesting. I think the founders of this place took this Astroliner rocket all the way here to Missouri and built everything you see before you. It's quite a lot to take in. This is a big place.
Well, they're saying the best fudge comes from here in Uranus, so we gotta go try some and check it out. That's what they're known for.
Oh, and they're very friendly. As we entered the doors, they yelled, "Welcome to Uranus." Thanks for rolling out the welcome mat here. Appreciate it. Fudge is the main draw here, but there are plenty of other options. Ooh, this would be a difficult decision to make. Do you have any suggestions? I think it's really cool how welcoming they are here. It puts everyone in a good mood. Every time someone comes in the door and they yell, "Welcome to Uranus," everyone just starts laughing. They're all just in a stellar mood, having a great time. The limit does not exist. Oh.
Oh no! How long have you been locked up, buddy? Whoa, cool! And look, they have this like sideshow circus museum. Whoa! This place is so cool.
Yeah, cover lobby, one museum, stocks.
Oh, you have to actually pay to get into the museum part. Oh well, we're not gonna do that today. But I can give this clown a high five. But for $1.10, we can test our love.
Go ahead and squeeze that handle. Are you a lover or a loser? Let's find out.
3, 2, 1, go! Nothing's happening.
Do we let go? Oh, there we go. Oh, let's see. I'm hoping for anything better than blah. Clammy. I disagree. Well, this was our advice. You know what? Love machine, you don't know us at all.
Well, we saw the world's second largest rocking chair earlier, but now we get the world's #1 largest belt buckle.
Whose pants are those gonna go on?
Green Giant. It's a good thing we love our car, because if not, I'd want to trade it in for this bad boy. Double-decker style, we're hitting the road all the way to California.
Whoa, check out this incredible sign, or signs, I should say. It's all the different stops along Route 66, and it's all neon. See? You can see the bulbs up there with the Cadillac Ranch. Oh man, this place would look so cool at night. I must say, Uranus is now one of my new favorite stops. That place was amazing.
I think it'd be really cool to go by at night, because they had all their main sign, their main neon sign, their mini golf sign, then the sign on the side of the building with the mural. All that neon, I'm sure, would look amazing with all the colors. So
I will say though, a lot of people say Uranus is like one of the funniest stops on Route 66. I don't really get it. It's really fun.
yeah.
But I don't know what they're getting at.
I mean, they did have like a lot of gag gifts and stuff in there with like Sasquatch and Bob Ross and little novelty shirts that had puns on them about your spouse or something like that. But
yeah. But anyways, I absolutely loved it, and I must say the fudge from Uranus is quite delicious.
this is how you advertise. We've been seeing these signs for miles and miles now, 30 miles, 20 miles, so on and so forth. Now, goose egg, you are here.
Do you see the resemblance?
Also, we used to live in Orlando and we frequented often, and I'm pretty sure we've seen the world's largest gift store multiple times there. Open 10 to 5, not quite Dolly Parton's time frame. We won't even begin to try to show you everything in here because it really is quite large. But there's a Christmas section and a fun sock area.
What do you think? Should I go with the Chuckies or the Reptar?
Halt, I am Reptar.
Duh, that's my guy.
One of my favorite movies of all time. Too bad those are probably way too small for my feet. I will show you this 1940 Cadillac limousine.
Gift shop was great, but I'm here for the candy.
While the large gift store may close at 5, candy factory is open until 9.
It smells like sweetness and popcorn in here at the same time, and it's really great, and I want everything. No wonder this guy is so happy. Haha, success!
Bag of goods secured.
$17 worth of candy. It should last me the rest of the trip.
There we go. So let's hop back on. Dun 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 dun. I think it speaks for itself, but this is not just any old Steak and Shake. Well, it is an old Steak and Shake since 1962 here on Route 66, and this one is actually a registered historical landmark, and you can still dine in this one. A lot of them around the country you can't dine in anymore. You can only get it to go. Here, go have a seat, and that's what we're gonna do. After a full day of driving, we find ourselves in the small town of Springfield, Missouri, which is actually where we're gonna lay our head tonight. Now, we've been sleeping in the car for about a week straight, but we're gonna have a night of luxury and stay at the Best Western tonight.
But this isn't any Best Western. Look at the fun cars. And there's another one over here. And old-timey gas pumps. And why is this Best Western so themed? Not only is it on historic Route 66, but Elvis actually stayed here in 1956. But wait until you see the theming of the inside of the room. Ba 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 da! We're in the Elvis suite and it's amazing. Look, there's taillights on our bed.
Ciao.
So we're not sleeping in our car again tonight, but we are still sleeping in a car tonight. We just can't get rid of cars. And also, we get to look at Elvis all night. This is what dreams are made of. We're gonna call it a night. It's time for us to kick back.
But we'll be back on the rails tomorrow. Back on Route 66. Butts. That's why they were laughing. Because it's like a butt.
What?
Uranus. Your anus. Butts. Butts, butts, butts.
Oh, it is butts. That's actually pretty funny.